This ZUMIMALL 360-degree wireless security camera delivers impressively sharp 2K detail with a wide viewing angle and smooth pan and tilt coverage that reduces blind spots around your property. Its fully wire-free, battery-powered design with dual antenna, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi makes installation straightforward even in spots where running cables would be difficult. Color night vision supported by infrared and white illumination keeps faces and key details recognizable after dark, so recorded clips remain useful for identifying what actually happened. Smart motion detection with optional artificial intelligence analysis helps distinguish between people, pets, vehicles, and packages, while flexible local card and cloud storage options give you control over your recordings. Two-way audio, customizable detection zones, and multi-user viewing make it practical for everyday check-ins on family or pets, as well as for deterring unwanted visitors in real time. Weather-resistant construction rated for harsh temperatures, plus integration with a polished app and Alexa support, make this camera a strong fit for long-term outdoor home security.